In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and use Tor in Brave. By the end, you'll be able to open a Tor-enabled private window in Brave, browse through the Tor network, open specific links directly in Tor, and safely close your Tor session. First, open Brave browser. You should see the standard Brave window on your screen. Next, click the menu in the top right corner of the window. This opens Brave's main menu. Select New Private Window with Tor. This option enables Tor for the new window and is the official way to use Tor inside Brave without extra setup. A new Tor window will open. You'll notice it looks like a private window and may include Tor-specific indicators so you can tell you're in the right place. Browse normally within this window. Click into the address bar, type a website, and press Enter. Any browsing you do here happens only inside this Tor-enabled private window. Your traffic is routed through the Tor network. That means your connection is relayed through multiple servers for additional privacy. Pages may load a bit slower than a regular window, which is normal for Tor. Only the tabs inside this Tor window use Tor. Your regular Brave windows continue to use your normal connection. Now, if you want to open a specific page in Tor from a regular Brave window, you can do that directly from a link. Right-click any link you want to visit through Tor. Click Open Link in Private Window with Tor. Brave will open that link in a Tor-enabled private window so it loads through the Tor network without changing your existing tabs. If a Tor window is already open, the link will appear there. Otherwise, Brave opens a new one. When you're done, close the Tor window to end the session. Click the X in the corner of the Tor window to close it. This shuts down the Tor session and returns you to your normal Brave windows. Your regular browsing stays open and unchanged. At this point, you've enabled and used Tor in Brave, opened sites through a Tor private window, and cleanly closed the Tor session. Everything is set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.